Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Last time I put one video how to calculate the plaster, paint and tiles. That meaning you can take the area where you are going to make tiling and you can divide that area value from the tile square value. If you divide it, you will know how many tile you want to buy. Okay, so this is what I put in my what I mentioned in my previous video. But today I am going to teach you something different, but same tiling concept but in different way. Okay, so this will be more better. So you will go to the wall and I will draw a wall, let's say 20 by 20. Okay, this is 20 by 20. No, I think this is not 2 meter, 20 meter. Okay, so here if I click, sorry, if I click this one, okay, this is also 20 meter. Okay, so now I am going to make tiling here. So how I will do, just go to the roof here, roof, click roof. Okay, so you can go for the level 1 if you want, or you level 2, it's your choice, but better go level 1. Yes, so I will draw a roof here, but yeah, best we will draw the roof. So this is what I want here. Okay, so here what I will do, I will remove all the slope because I don't need slope. Okay, now okay, now here you have to select slope glazing. Okay, then here you will not see anything. So what we will do here, so before that one you go here, edit type. So here you will use grid 1 and fixed distance. So I am going to make 450 mm by 450 mm tile, and here also fixed distance 450. If you have other size you can give it. Now press OK. So you will not see anything because it is in the offset is 0. So let's make 100. Apply. Sorry, just 100, not minus 100. Okay, you will see this one tile. So how many tile I have? No idea. Okay, because it's too much. So you see here, this one you can arrange if you know. Now let's say this is not equal. You see here something and here is full. Let's make this tile little bigger. Maybe I will go 1 meter by 1 meter. No, let's go 600 because it's too much small. Okay. Okay, now 600 by 600. Okay, now here see this is small edge. Here you have the full size. If you take DI, so you from here to here you see 600, but here DI only 200. So if you want you can make 100 here and 100 here and 100 here also, no problem. You have to do something, you just click here and you can change this one, offset 100. Okay, so if you put 100 here and then grid to offset 100 here, so it will be arranged. if you want to. If you don't want to, no, leave it. You see this one arranged. Okay, now how many pieces I need, how we will calculate. So let's go for the view and schedule and quantity, and here you will choose curtain panel. So here curtain panel. Okay, now press OK. Okay, now what I will do, I will put name. Let's go for the name, family and type. Let's put this one. Let's put count. The name. Okay, let's check name later. Width and height. I think this one will give name, family and name. So let this one be down. I need last. Now press OK. So you see here, so 100 by 100 and one piece. So this is system panel glassed. So 100 by 100 one piece, 600 by 100 one piece. You have like this. Go to the edit, and in the count, in the formatting area, you will make calculate total. Okay, in the short and group, we can size by, how we can size by, maybe by width or height. So grand total you remove item wise. Okay, so height is not visible. Edit, short and group. Okay, so you will choose here height also. Okay, okay, so you will see 100 by 100. We have 4 pieces. 100 by 600, 66 pieces we need, and 600 by 100 we need 66 again. So this one should be equal, because this one side up, left side and right side it is calculating, and 600 by 600 we need 1089 pieces. So here how you will get the title, the tile calculation. So it's very fast, you can calculate. So let's go to the level 1 again. Let's see this one in other way, meaning this one is 45 and this one also, the down, the next one here, and 45 also apply. Even you can take like this. Let's see what happened in the panel. Schedule. So you have something like this, but here we have some problem with small pieces. So we can go for the edit, short in group. We will just remove this one, and we need this one. Okay, okay, I have to make itemize. Okay, so you will know the actual size of this one, but you will not get the small pieces which is unshaped. That one you have to take by manual. So if you go panel, level 1, so you see this is small pieces, because this is cut by like this, Okay, so let's go to the schedule. Let's check we have anything. So we have took width and length, so it is 45 angle. It is difficult to get that one, you have to take manual. Anyhow, you know the size. So if you go to the edit, so in the count you have formatting. In the count you select counts, you calculate total you have. So sorting, if you make, let's go with the width and height, let's make okay. Okay, we have to remove the itemize, sorry, this one, we will go this and let's put it this one also. Okay. So anyhow, you can know 186 small pieces we need like this. So if you measure only one, it's okay, and you can see there's the one unshaped piece, this one also you have to take. Anyhow, like this will be 4 pieces, 1 2 3 4. In this case you have to measure correctly. So if it is in correct angle like 90 by 90, let's select this 90 by 90, no 0, wait, no need 90. So if you make 0, okay, it's applying. And yeah, now one is 45, another one is 0. So let's check what happened in the panel schedule. So system panel glass 884. You see here there's no width and height. So only width and height you can get it if it is straight. So angle or something different design you will not get it. So this is okay for almost okay. At least you can get how many tile you want. And also if it is 90, meaning if it is not angle or different design, it is easy to take. So let's make 0, apply. So I hope you understand very well. So now go to the schedule, you will know what are the size we need. It's all accurately, it's given. So if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel, we can learn together. And inshallah in difficult type of tiling, I will search it, I will learn it. If I got anything new, I will share with you. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe my channel so we can learn together. Until next video, take care, bye, assalamu alaikum.